So today in this video we have given in a hostel 80 students have food enough for 45 days. How many students should leave the hostel so that the food enough for 60 days? So here is the relation between number of students and number of days. So 80 students have enough food for 45 days. So it is 45 days. How many students should leave the hostel so that the food enough for 60 days? So initially we have 80 students and some students left. So we let X students left the hostel. So here number of students and days are in inverse relation. So number of students and days are in inverse relation. So it becomes 80 minus x by 80 equals 45 by 60. So in case of inverse relation, we just interchange numerator and denominator. So now 80 minus x equals 45 by 60 into 80. So here 80 is in divide, moving opposite side, it becomes multiply. So now 0 0 cancel. 2 times 3 mean 6, 2 times 4 mean 8. 45 on dividing with 3 we get 15. So 80 minus x is equals 15 times 4 mean 60. So now 80, 60 in plus, moving this side becomes minus. This x in minus, moving opposite side becomes plus. So x is equals to 20. So 20 students should leave the hostel so that the food will be enough for 60 days. So this much for today and thanks for watching.